guys, update. I'm here at here sa Boracay Distillery Cafe Burger. My blueberry mojito, also the chocolate brownie cake. Cheers, guys. Perfect for this summer season. Sobrang init dito sa Boracay. And currently, it's already 4 PM in the afternoon. And here sa cafe, nagpupunta ako ng hotel. Here. So, naghanap muna ako ng hotel dito, guys. Namura lang. Good for 2 nights and 3 days. Gusto ko hostel sana yung bunk beds na kasi saglit lang naman ako dito mag-stay sa Boracay. Just mag-unwind lang ako. Relax. So I came from work earlier, so I need to rest. Medyo napagod din sa work, walang enough na sleep. So I hope makasleep ako dito. But hindi eh. Kasi Boracay is an island for parties. Cheers, guys. Anyway, I'll just stay here for at least 2 hours. Maghanap po na ako ng hotel while waiting for the sunset to get down. So I'm still searching, guys, ng hotel dito sa booking.com. Yung affordable lang na hotel. Good for 3 days and 2 nights. Hey guys, what's up? So finally, may nahanap na akong hotel or accommodation here sa station. Diyan sa likod ko. So andito ako sa station 2. Malapit sa D-Mall at Starbucks, guys. So people are waiting sa sunset kaso hindi pa siya ganun ka yellow. So we don't know if may sunset ba, pero if the sun goes down dyan sa middle, away sa cloud, so lalabas yung golden hour, guys. So I'm just wearing sandal from Oxygen, pants and Crocs, guys. And this one. So it's currently 5:50 in the afternoon, so magka-quarter to 6 na. So wait lang muna tayo sa sunset, guys. And as you can see, meron pa din mga lumot dito, pero konti na lang, hindi siya massive na lumot. Pero okay lang. Gusto ko sana mag-swimming eh. Tagal pa ng sunset, guys. See, as you can see, reflect na yung sun sa river. Yan. So makikita na natin, guys. Guys, napakita na yung sunset. Sobrang ganda. Promise. Tubat na ako, guys. I guess may party later, guys, doon. Ang ganda ng mga paraw dito sa Boracay. Wow. Ganda, guys. Look at the view. And the water is very, very cold. Sarap maglakad dito. So, mag-swimming. So, magbibihis lang ako. And then, I'll go back sa hostel. At maliligo. Pero iwan ko yung mga gadgets ko, guys. Kasi bawal na magdala ng mga gadgets. Kasi walang magbabantay sa mga gadgets ko. I'll just update you later. Bye. Hey guys, my mango shake is here. The bus guys. I ordered calamansi muffin guys with the view. Yeah. I also ordered guys their iced cafe mocha. This is it. Yan, ito siya. Sakto lang. Iced cafe mocha. And your famous calamansi muffin. Thank you. Home of the original calamansi muffin. Here's the real coffee. Here ako nag-book guys ng activity for today. ATV. Susulat ko muna name ko. So dito ako nag-book guys ng activity ATV tsaka zipline na. Included na yung kayak, cliff jumping, and kawaba for only 1,000 pesos. Dito siya sa Station 1 guys, malapit sa Astoria. Here na resort sa Station 1. So ito na yung inclusion guys, ATV, zipline. Ako lang kasi mag-isa for only 1,000 pesos. Ay guys, sobrang init talaga. Anyway, papunta na ako sa speedboat. Yung Shingli Travel and Tours yung in-avail ko na package. Worth 1,000 pesos. May kasama ng ATV for 30 minutes. Zipline, free use of kawa pa. Cliff jumping, also kayaking. Hope mag-enjoy ako. So it's currently 3 PM na in the afternoon. Tapos parang 2 hours lang yung activity. So I'll be back here sa island during sunset kasi yung activity is dun sa mainland. Kaya magsi-speedboat kami. Sobrang linaw. Pwede na sumakay kuya? Hey guys, so nandito kami sa mainland island ng Boracay. So dito gagawin yung activities. Lahat ng activities. So joiners na ako sa mga group dito.
Lapit po para ma-briefing po kayo. Wala. Ito po yung gas para tumakbo at pinipindot lang po dyan. Katulad ng motor, tinitigalan gano'n. Yung purpose nito, hawakan lang. Ito nagpapatakbo sa kanya, ma'am.
The most scariest ATV ride I ever experienced guys in my entire life. Kasi manual ATV siya. And last time yung nag-ATV ako dun sa latest, sa Gunsiyaman, automatic siya. Ito first time ko mag-manual. Tapos yung route niya
yung daan niya napaka-bumpy, up and down hill, tapos may pagpumpa sa gilid. So medyo stop ako kasi natatakot ako. So kinakapisado ko muna yung ATV before I proceed to the next. So tara. So nilelearn ko muna guys paano mag-control tong ATV, pero hindi ako makakuha ng full video clips while riding this ATV kasi I need to focus tapos wala akong maglalagay ng camera. So see you later guys. So far nag-enjoy na ako, I know how to use it. Next is hey guys, so included in the tour is yung river adventure. So pwede na mag-slide, flip jump, kayaking, akawa ba. So try ko na. Gusto ko kasi mag-flip jump dito That's right. Ito malalim. Woo!